Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have a quick review using the DJI RS4 with your smartphone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and guys, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I will use this iPhone 15 to the DJI RS4. Not the Pro, but this is the DJI RS4. So, I'm going to show you how to um, balance and what else you need when you use your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So without further ado guys, let's balance this iPhone 15 Pro Max with the DJI RS4. So guys, but first, before anything else, you need a mobile holder. So we don't have mobile holder, but make sure you have a heavy duty mobile holder. So I have here from Ulanzi the ST27. It's quite heavy, so it adds more weight from the mobile because it's very light. So let's do this guys. First you need to remove make sure you have a balancing position. This is our balance position. Yeah, lock and lock. Remove this part, the plate. Okay, so this one must be in front for us. So the screen, we will use the main camera of the mobile. So make sure that our mobile is in the front side. Yeah. So okay, lock. Guys. Okay, lock. So first, yeah, we make sure to balance this. To balance this part first. Ayan, I unlock. Ayan, it's already balanced here on this side. Now on this side, guys, we need to make sure that the camera is facing up. Okay, wait, yeah, done. It's ready. Okay, okay. Next is this part to balance. Unlock. And okay, let's put a little done. So it's balanced already guys, and the next step is this. So make sure that okay, yeah, so it's done. Now we have a balanced mobile iPhone 15 Pro Max to our DJI RS4. Gonna turn on now guys. See, green meaning it's balanced guys. So but again I will start to calibrating. Okay, calibrating. Yeah, okay, 100% calibrating. Yeah, see, it's 100% calibrated. Hindi mo nakita. But again, it's 100% calibrating. And now we have a mobile. Yeah. See? We have the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the DJI RS4 and stabilizer. So if you want to use for your mobile, for your mirrorless camera, DSLR camera, name it guys. It's can hold in the DJI RS4. Yan. I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Again, I'm gonna make a sample video on this And again, shout out, thank you kay Ajid behind the camera. Ayan, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. We have the DJI RS4, we have the Ulanzi mobile holder. Check to our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you, and ito yung sample video ng iPhone 15 Pro Max. Mabuhay!